Dear business partner, congratulations! You made the choice to implement Paysafecash as a payment method. We would like to welcome you to the technical integration and onboarding video. This video should serve to help you with the technical integration of Paysafecash and provide information about the technical onboarding process. So, let's get started. The video will help you to understand the 3 milestones of this process that need to be achieved. First, an overview of the onboarding steps will be given, followed by the explanation of the download site. This video will be concluded by explaining the technical documentation that is needed for a successful integration. We will now guide you through the onboarding process step by step. The onboarding for the test system consists of 3 steps, and on the production system of 4 steps. We will now explain the test system. At the beginning of the process, you will receive the test data mail with an API key. Afterwards, you will have to start implementing the technical integration on your server. Of course, our Paysafecash team will guide you through each step and do the user acceptance test with you. Starting with the reception of the email, which will be sent out by our integration team, you will be provided with all necessary information regarding your integration journey. The most important information that can be found within this email consists of 2 keys. Firstly, the API key, which will be in the test data text file, and secondly, the webhook key, which will be attached. If you have further questions or need assistance, do not hesitate to contact our integration team. They will be happy to help you. The next step is to integrate the API on your server against our test environment. By doing so, one way would be to use the sample codes in PHP, upload them via FTP to your server, and test them there. To ensure a secure and valid integration, the Paysafecash team will conduct a user acceptance test once integration is finished. To do this test, please send us an email and attach the URL together with 2 test users and a short description of how to pay. The onboarding steps on the production system are consisting of production data mail with API key. Switch your integration to production. Do the IP whitelisting. Request the production, test, and go live with the Paysafecash team. You will receive an email from our integration team with the encrypted production data included. In order to decrypt the file, you have to rename it from .123 to .zip. To get the password for the file, please contact the integration team via phone or Skype. Our contact details will be provided to you in the signature of the email. After extracting the files, you can find the API key for the production system in the text file that is attached. Please change the URLs or environment parameter and the API key in your integration in order to send requests to our production environment. If you are using the sample codes, you can do this by changing the environment variable in the config file. The test environment API key must be exchanged with the production API key. Prior to being able to sending us requests, our production environment requests an IP whitelisting. Please send the IP you want to whitelist to the integration team. Shortly before you can go live with your integration for real customers, our Paysafecash team conducts a final test to check if everything is working. If you are ready for the final test, please reach out to us by sending us an email. Once the testing process is completed, you can provide the new payment method to your customers. Our download page will help you guide through the integration by providing helpful links. In the first area, you can find the technical documentation as well as the reporting tool guidelines. In addition, you will find the libraries for 2 technical integration tools, Postman and ready API. The sample code link with the PHP files forwards you to our GitHub website, where you can download the latest API codes for your integration. Paysafecash product description for your end customers. Here you can find the integration guidelines for doing the graphical integration according to our product code. Additionally, you can find the checkout texts in 22 different languages, as well as the logo. Paysafecash Shop Plugin. This section is for e-commerce shop systems. A link to the description and our GitHub site will be provided. You can access directly from the download page. The navigation can be seen on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side, you can find the test console. The payment flow is extremely important within the specification process. This flow gives further information on the integration and how the customer, you as a merchant, and Paysafecash interact with each other during a payment. The two API calls that can be found in the Payment API Request section can be tested right away in the documentation. By clicking on the request name, you can find code snippets in 14 coding languages. In case you have any questions to the technical integration, please contact integration@paysafecash.com.